Hey, what's happening, Stinky Heads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got that what? The Jordan recaps, baby. So moving on to the Jordan recaps. These are the shoes that came out from 9 to the 15th of February. I'm going to go ahead and start off. So on February the 13th, we did have the Kobe 6. This was called the All-Star 2.0. And one of the things that was different about this shoe is it did feature those stars instead of that reptilian skin throughout. This shoe did very well. It did sell out. So great work there, Nike brand. Let us know down in the comments where you're able to cop you a pair. As you know, we did cop us a pair here on the channel. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and check out that video right there. But let us know down in the comments, did you secure yours, Kobe? Again, they all sold out. So we got next, my brother.
So on February the 14th, we did have the Air Jordan 1 high 85 bread. Price point for those we're going for $250. And according to Nike.com, all sizes did sell out. So nice work there, Jordan brand. Nice work there, Jordan brand. All sizes did sell out. But drop us a comment down below if you were able to snatch up those 85 breads.
Yes, sir. So moving on the same day, we did have releasing on February the 14th, the LaMelo balls. This was the Puma MB.04. These were the Leonardo and Michelangelo. And just like the first pair, these all sold out as well. However, if you're looking for kids, they still have a few sizes available. 4 through 6 were still available on Puma.com. So we still need these for your kids. Go ahead and check them out. What we got next, my brother?
So on February the 15th, we did have another pair of Air Jordan 1s, high OG black toe. Price point for those was $180. And according to Nike.com, all sizes did sell out. So once again, nice work there, Jordan brand. Nice work there. All sizes did sell out.
2025 looks like it's becoming a good year for Jordan brand again, huh?
Yeah, looking real good for them. At least for that week.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.